Hello guys, so this is the advanced problem B2. The okay, let's check this problem. So it's a bit of improved problem from B1. So if you have solved B1, you can try this one also. So B2, basically what we are doing in this, there is a n sequence of integers, okay, a1 to an. So initially in b1 there was a string, so in this case we have a sequence of integers. So now uh, we can paint it using a chalk of k colors, okay, and each element is either painted by one of k color or isn't painted, okay, and no two similar values are painted with same color, okay. This is also the condition. So two values which are similar are not painted with same color. This is another condition. And k colors in the number of elements painted in the color, so all must be equal, okay. So the maximum number of colors which they are painted, they all has to be equal. So this is another condition, okay. And the fourth one is total number of painted elements is maximum of coloring. This is another condition, okay. So how to solve this problem, okay. How will solve this problem? So basically we need to store, we will use the same approach as V1. We will keep a track of count of each number, okay. We will keep track of what is the count of 3, what is the count of 1, what is the count of 10, and what is the count of 2. Okay, first we will do that. So first iteration will be that, okay. First iteration will be that. And like the 3 4 ones, 3 1 1 1 1, then 10 3 10 10 10 3 10 10, and last one is 2, okay. So this is the sample input to us. And now 3, count of 3 is 2, count of 1 is 4, count of 10 is 3, count of 3 is 1, and then sorry, 3 and count of 2 is 1, okay. So this is the key value map we will generate using hash map, okay, after iterating after one iteration, okay. Big of n time it will take, and we will get this. Now what we have to check, okay, so from this we have to check what is the value of k given to us. So what is the value of k? K is 3 given to us, okay. K is equal to 3. So what is the maximum color we can what is the maximum coloring we can do, okay. What is the maximum coloring that we can do for this scenario, okay. What is the maximum coloring we can do such that all the 3 conditions are met, okay. All these 4 conditions are met. So all calculated numbers must be equal, okay. So let's calculate each of the k color of number of elements painted in that color, okay. all numbers must be equal. So what we can see over here, k is 3, okay, and length of string is 10. So by coloring 3 elements, 3 different coloring if we do, so either it will be 3 or it will be 6 or it will be some multiple of 3, okay, this we can say. Cool, this much you understand. So what is the maximum multiple we can have? Okay, so this we can calculate. This we can calculate using the number of numbers which are equal to 3 or greater than 3, okay, the number of numbers which are equal to 3 or greater than 3. First we will count them, okay. First we will check how many numbers are there, okay, equal to 3 or greater than 3. That will be our one solution. So what we can do, so what was the previous solution? Yeah, this one. So k is equal to 3. So in this solution what we can do is greater than or equal to k, okay. So what we will do is simply increment, and if it is less than k, then we will increment temp by hash underscore map key, okay. This one we will do, okay. And now solution will be temp divided by k, okay. So you are getting it, what we are doing. So basically what we are doing, for each number whose count is greater than 3, okay, whose count is greater than 3, then we can color all the elements, okay. We can color all the elements. Cool, this much is understood. And this is or we can color all the elements. And sorry, this we don't need to print. We need to print this output, okay. This output we need to. So yeah, so first we will calculate this. So number of coloring we can do. So what we will do, we will store it in a different hash map, okay. Hash just a second. Yeah, we can store it in a different hash map. So this will color all the colors, okay. Now if for the second one we have to keep on coloring, yeah. So we can store it in lists, okay. lst dot append key. We can store this in this list, and so this one we will definitely do. So this will be the maximum number of colors which we can have, okay. three different colors. Known as this. Three colors we have, and we have to check. Okay, so three colors we have, and we have to check the maximum. So maximum. Yeah, this will do. So this is the maximum count of three coloring which we can do. Okay. Sorry, I mean this is the maximum count of each type of color. Okay. Sol is the maximum count of each type of color. Okay. So this is what we will do, and then we will store lst2 dot append key. Okay, this one will also do. So these two types of list we will make. Okay. So yeah, these are the two lists we will make. COUNT count LST. Here we will append three lists we have to make. So this will store the key, and count list will store the count, and list 2 will store simply the key. Okay. So these three lists we have to make. Now what we have? We have three lists. Okay. Three lists we have. LST count LST LST count LST and LST2. These three lists we have. Okay. Now we got these three lists. Now if the number is in, now we will simply iterate for I in range 0, n numbers. Okay? All the numbers we will check, and if a array of I in LST then what we will do? So that is why I am telling you, instead of doing this now, we can make a different hash map. Hash key as 0. This we can make. So instead of two lists, we will only need hash and a list. Okay. And this will also simplify our solution. So this we can do. So we will simply make one hash and one list. Okay. These two things we can do. Now if array I is in list, array I is in the list, array I is in all color equal to 1. Okay. This we will do LST2. Now if array I is in LST2, so we will make sol dot append solution. Okay. So this is not our okay, fine, we have already made one variable sol, then we will answer. Okay. And answer will be an list, will be an array. Okay. Answer will be an array. So we will append. What we will append? We will append all color. Okay. All color color, all color is equal to all color plus 1 mod sol. This we will do. This is better. So this way we will keep on incrementing all color each time, and now we will check if arr I in hash dot keys, if it is there, then ans dot append, in the here hash key we have to store 1. Hash key hash arr I hash arr I hash arr I equal to hash arr I plus 1. Okay, this is what we will do. Yeah, this is what we will do. Okay, here hash arr I equals to sol was the maximum color which we can color with using any one color. Maximum number of numbers we can color using any one number. Okay, and all this maximum number will be equal for all type of colors. Okay, so sol is that number. So if it is equal to that sol, then we will simply make hash arr I equal to 0. Okay, and we will check here one condition: if hash arr I is greater than 0, okay, then only we will do this. If hash of arr I is greater than 0, then only we will increment it. Otherwise we will simply, so initially it will be 1, so after 1 it will become 2, then 3, then 4, then once it reaches sol, it will again be converted to 0. Okay, sol plus 1. Okay, sorry. Here we will do sol plus 1. This is the correct one. Once it reaches sol plus 1, sol plus 1 is not a valid color, so all color will become 1. Okay, and hash array will become 0. Okay, rest colors will color as 0, and this way we can print for loop item in ans. Each item will print item comma endn is equal to spaces this way, and this is for separate. This will print all the answers in one line, okay, with spaces. And yeah, so let's revise one more time. So what basically we did, first we get the count of each element, okay, in a hash map. Now we will check whose count is greater than or equal to k. Whichever count is greater than or equal to k, we will simply set it as a hash. It will put it in a different hash as hash key as 1, and will increment the solution by 1. Okay, so we can color all those things with one color. Okay, and if it is less than k, then we will simply increment the temp with the count of hash map and append it in a list. Okay, so this can be colored any color. Okay, so no issue is there in coloring coloring this type of numbers. Okay, since the count is less than k. Okay, and now we will sum up solve with temp divided by k, means temp divided by k and the floor. Okay, so how many more k elements we can color with k different colors. Okay, how many more elements we can color with more different k colors. So that number we will get, and hence solve will be how much? Solve will be some multiple of k. Okay, solve will be some multiple of k, and that is the maximum number of coloring that we can do. So in this case, if you see, we can color 10 with all three different colors, one with three different colors, and we'll leave one as non-coloring, without coloring. And okay, so in this case, if you see, so we can color 3 as 1, then 3 belongs to LST2. Okay, so what we are doing in LST2, we are coloring as all color. Okay, using all color variable, and in the hash we are in the other one which belongs to that hash, we are coloring using the value of the hash key. Okay, so what we will do for 3 won't belong to the hash. Okay, so we will print it using all color variable. All color variable will be 1, and 1 will be printed using hash map. So hash map 1, hash map 2, then hash map 3. Now it becomes equal to 3 is equal to solution. Okay, why? So solution, if you calculate over here, it will be 3, because 10 is colored 3 times, then 1 is colored in 3 different ways, then remaining 3 and 2 is colored in 3 different ways. So 3 is the solution. Okay, 3 here 1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, 1 plus 1 2, and 3 divided by 3, which is 1 again. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So solve becomes 3. So once it reaches 3, now the hash map value becomes 0. Okay, so here it will get 0, and for 10 we will get 1. For 3 is being colored using all color variable. All color will be 2. 10 over here, 10 is again using hash, previous color was 1, so hash becomes 2 now, so we print as 2. Then here hash becomes 3, and we print as 3, and over here 2 is again there, and 2 is colored using all color variable. Now all color variable reaches 3, so now all color variable again becomes 1. Okay, but this is our final solution: 1 1 2 3 0 1 2 2 3 3. Okay, yeah, this may look slightly different than this solution, but you can see over here it's written print any one. Okay, so print any one, so you can print any one. So this is one of the possible solution. So this is the correct solution. Okay, so hope you have understood it, and try to code it this way, you will get accepted. Okay, thank you guys, have a good day. And you can watch my interview, Google interview series, Google and Amazon interview I have given, so you can check out those videos. You will definitely learn a lot what type of questions are asked in Google interview and Google and Amazon interview. So please check that video out. Okay? And yeah, that's it guys, have a good day, bye.